The 2026 Mazda CX-5 continues to deliver engaging driving experience. The model is known to introduce several new upgrades. The SUV is slightly larger, providing more legroom and headroom for rear passengers. Additionally, the wheelbase has been extended by 4 inches, which also increases overall cargo capacity. In terms of dimensions, the new CX-5 measures 4,690 mm in length, 1,860 mm in width, and 1,695 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,775 mm. The exterior features an updated version of Mazda's signature Kodo design language. At the front, the CX-5 adopts a distinctive fascia stacked headlights. Mazda says this refreshed design direction will eventually be applied across the rest of its lineup. The familiar wing grille has been sharpened, while new styling elements on the front bumper emphasize the SUV's wider stance. At the rear, the CX-5 now features a bold Mazda word mark across the tailgate. The tail lights have also been redesigned with a sharper appearance, drawing inspiration from the larger CX-70. On higher trims, buyers can opt for sporty 19-inch alloy wheels. Inside, the cabin adopts a clean and uncluttered design with a calm and practical layout. Rear seat comfort has been improved thanks to larger door openings and increased legroom, knee room, and headroom, making it more accommodating for passengers. Technology and connectivity have also been enhanced through a redesigned automotive human-machine interface. The SUV features a 12.9-inch or optional 15.6-inch central display for easier interaction, along with a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, simplified steering wheel controls, and an optional 12-speaker Bose sound system further enhances the driver-focused yet family-friendly environment. The new CX-5 also comes with Google built-in, providing improved connectivity and convenience during every drive. Under the hood, the CX-5 is currently offered with an eSkyActiv G mild hybrid powertrain. This setup includes a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 engine producing 141 PS and 238 Nm of torque. Supported by a 24-volt mild hybrid system, the engine is paired with a 6-speed SkyActiv drive automatic transmission, sending power to the front wheels.